Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. Today we are going to write our last paragraph of our fairy tales. I'm so excited to hear all these put together, but today we're going to focus on that ending paragraph. So let's get started. So today I really want you to focus in on using your third event and your solution to kind of wrap up and end our story. So you really want to think about what is that third event and how is your story going to end? Okay, so yesterday we took our problem and one or two events and put those into a paragraph. Well, today, now we're going to take these last two to kind of end our story, and it's going to end with a happy ending. So I want to share with you what I have for mine. So for my last paragraph, I have, back in the castle, Elfrin is getting worried. What's taking Tressella so long? She should be here by now, thought Elfrin. She took her magic wand and said, Wand, wand, on my hand, bring me to where Tressella is on the land. Elfrin waved her wand and popped right in front of the witch's house. There she found Tressella locked in a tower. Elfrin waved her wand to try and get Tressella out, but it didn't work. This time Elfrin and the evil witch began to battle. They both waved their wands and tried to defeat each other. The witch is powerful, but Elfrin is stronger. Elfrin waved it one last time and struck the evil witch, which turned her into stone. You are now free, my princess, Elfrin said. And so Tressella and Elfrin went back to their castle and lived happily ever after. Okay, so you can see here now that I'm using some quotation marks to make my characters come to life, which is what we talked about yesterday, to add that effect of making it sound more exciting as you were reading. So I'd like you to do that again today to add some of that, talking or moving or feeling into your writing, okay? So remember that you are focusing on these two events, and you can see here I did that myself by adding Elfrin waving her wand and asking to be brought to where Tressella is. And Elfrin and the evil witch begin to fight and fight each other. And then in the end, Elfrin wins and defeats the evil witch and is able to bring Tressella back to her castle. And they live happily ever after. So remember to be thinking about those story events that you have on your quick look, and then you'll be able to do that into your writing. All right, boys and girls, have fun. We can't wait to hear that last paragraph today.